What's up guys? Finally back at the shop. It's been a while. Today I'm basically just gonna strip everything down from the car so we can paint the engine bay inside. So I'm gonna start on the interior, get that all done. Not everything's out of the car. Everything on the inside of the car pretty much out except for the pedals, which just bled all the fluid out the systems. Basically worked on that. I don't know if I'm going to get to the engine today. Getting hot. It's been a few hours. Taking out all the wiring took me probably the longest, and I still haven't done the front. I struggled with trying to take the passenger fender off. Bolts that are inside the door were kind of stuck. The tab broke off again because the bolts were stripped in there, which was my bad for doing that. All right, so officially everything is out of the inside of the car except for tools. I was about to pull the engine and I realized I still have to drain the transmission and the engine, or what's left in the engine, and then I'm gonna do a time lapse to see how long it takes me to pull this out. All the fluids are drained. I know that's part of pulling the engine. I still have everything tight. I still have the control arms on, which is part of pulling the engine. All right, ready? Go. So as you can see, the engine is out of the car. Didn't take too long, but as you saw, the footage just cut out. Just under an hour to pull it, pull the control arms and get this out. It died around 37 minutes to talk to you guys, and it was off, which I know that happens all the time. When I put it up there, it was fully charged. At least the battery said it was fully charged. Maybe we need to get some new batteries, or just get a whole new camera, right, Aaron? But yep, she's out, probably prep and everything next weekend. It is the hottest part of the day right now. Probably around 105 degrees because that's what it's supposed to be today. I just want to say, sorry for, no updates on the 240 in a while. I just wanted a break, which I have a little bit of time. Now it's kind of crunch time to get this thing all done. Again, I want to thank all of you that have been watching this build, watching it progress. If you have any answers onto the problems I'm having, please put it down in the comments. Me and Aaron do have a list of things we're going to check. We're not really too sure. So if you've seen any of the issues that I'm having with the backfire on idle, let me know. But that's gonna do it for today. I know it was kind of a slow day. I just kind of stripped the car. There's still a lot more I have to do, but the majority of it's done. Stop fucking lying. That's it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.